How to see sent follow requests and how to delete sent request on Instagram. I am going to show you how you can easily see sent follow requests to delete sent requests on Instagram. First, you have to open Instagram using the mobile app or website on your mobile phone. Tap on profile picture displayed on the right bottom of the screen. A screen will appear which shows your profile. Tap on the three aligned symbols shown at the right top of the screen. A list of options will appear. Tap on the first option labeled Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down to see the option labeled Your Activity. By scrolling down, you will see at the bottom, Download your information. A screen will appear and tap on that option to view past requests. It will show you the accounts that you have sent request. If you want to cancel the request, just simply deselect. Go to Next and select the second option, Some of your information. Scroll down and select Follower and Following. Again, select the option Messages. Now download it to your device. This is how you can check sent follow request on Instagram. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.